Hello everybody, welcome to my video. My name is Rahmat Cahyani, and on this occasion I will talk about a tradition that is very close to the hearts of Indonesian, namely homecoming. Homecoming or mudik is a tradition that is deeply intertwined with Indonesian culture. Literally, the words mudik come from the Japanese language, combining the words muli, to return, and udik, village. In other words, this tradition involves millions of people traveling from big cities back to their hometowns to reunite with their extended family and spend meaningful moments together. Typically, mudik occurs during the long holidays at the end of the years and the Idul Fitri holidays. Initially, the term homecoming was used to describe the habits of people who had migrated to major cities, usually for work, trade, or education, but still went to visit their families in their hometowns during their vacation time. This caused the phenomenon of returning home to visit. Initially, homecoming was more of individual activity or carried out by small groups. This is to maintain relationship with family and preserve tradition in their hometowns. As time goes on, especially with the increasing number of people migrating due to urbanization, the social phenomenon grows even greater with mass wave of people traveling from major city to their hometowns. The modes of transportation used by Indonesian during mudik include cars, motorcycle, bus, trains, ship, and airplanes. For the Idul Fitri Mudik in 2024 show that the most popular mode of transportation is personal vehicles. According to the data, 80.7% of mudik travelers use private cars. Homecoming requires careful planning so that the trip runs smoothly and comfortably. Some of the things that need to be prepared include transportation, finance, language, and physical and mental condition. First, choose the appropriate mode of transportation to travel to your hometown. If you use public transportation, make sure the tickets are booked in advance to avoid running out. For those who use private vehicles, conduct a thorough inspection of the condition of the private vehicles. Next, create a budget plan for the mudik. Include transportation costs, meals, and emergency needs. Don't forget to carry cash as not all areas have access to ATM or expect digital payments. For luggage, ensure you have important documents such as your ID, driver license, and vehicles registration so you can be easily identification if anything unexpected happens. Bring clothing appropriate for the weather in your hometown, along with religious items, personal medicines, and souvenir for your family. Also make sure to prepare your body by getting enough rest and eating healthy before departure, as long journeys require good stamina. Mental readiness is also important, considering that mudik journey often involve heavy traffic and long queues. Additionally, ensure your electric device like your phone, power bank, and charger are ready and download important apps like digital maps and traffic information. Prepare a data plan for communication and navigation during the trip. After the preparation are complete, you are ready to go to your hometowns. Join me to witness and the journey home until you arrive at your destination. Come on. During the mudik session, traffic jams are common because many people are also traveling back to their hometowns via the same roads. Then, we stop at the rest area to take a break after such a long journey. When we arrive at our hometown, the first thing we usually do is rest because the trip can be quite exhausting. Afterward, we spend our days chatting with relatives, eating together, taking walks, and more. As the holiday draws to a close, many people head to local souvenir shop in their hometowns to bring gift back to their work or study place. These usually include local food, souvenir, and quotes featuring regional symbols. This has a positive impact on small traders as sellers often rise during the mudik session. When the mudik holidays end, people say goodbye to their relatives and begin the journey back to their place of work or study. That's all the explanation about homecoming. Thank you for watching my video and see you again